Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Gas prices are going down tomorrow. 87 and 90 gasoline will each decline by 25 cents. It will cost $3.06 less for automotive diesel. Ultra low sulfur diesel will sell for 41 cents less, while kerosene will decline by $3.06. 87 cents will be shaved off the cost of propane. However, 25 cents will be added to butane. Guardsman Armored is now called Beryllium. The company has rebranded and repositioned its business strategy. Now, the launch event took place yesterday. Our business reporter Javon Keys covered the event.
Guardsman Armored is now Beryllium.
We are not an armored truck company. We are not a cash company. We're not a security company. We are an outsourcing company that provides finance and technology services for our customers.
The company's president and CEO, Letitia Myers-Gray, says the name change comes with new offerings in addition to the core currency management services.
Cash in transit, deposit processing, treasury management, vault services, air courier. We will also be offering customer service outsourcing. This will include teller outsourcing, branch outsourcing. All customer service related activities can be outsourced to Beryllium Limited. Process outsourcing such as archiving, vault management, and technology services, digital currency support, smart safes, the BE metaverse, and IT outsourcing.
Beryllium is also keen on digital innovation as it plans to develop applications to include systems for the Bank of Jamaica's central bank digital currency CBDC. The company is also looking to acquire some existing tech companies in the local market in 2022. For the Business Day, I'm Javon Keys.
It's costing an average $156.54 for $1. $128.15 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $208.40 for the pound, and $180.17 for the euro. The JC Index lost 2,730 points today, while the Junior Market Index gained 8 points. Advancing today were Margaritaville Turks, Paramount Trading Jamaica, G-West Corporation, Carib Cement, and iCreate. While on the losing side were Medical Disposables and Supplies, Panjam Investments, Guardian Holdings, Proven Investments US dollar shares, and Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Have a good evening.